What's going on, guys and girls? Owen Nick at Mid-Ohio Swap Meet. Some cool stuff. Nice little Sears Allstate. But it's asking 28. You can probably get it for 25. It's pretty nice. It looks unrestored to me. But they're not very fast. I don't know what you would do with it. CB750K. No one wants that. There's a Yankee. Yankee.
Dude, it's nice too. It's
I know it is.
Completely redone. We'll get everything good.
See what number that is.
It's 175.
175, yeah.
No tell.
The first one.
Then he's got one of these. It's 0001. Would make it the first one, but like I said, I wouldn't mind having one. Damn, is it hot out here. Yamaha. Nice grease gripping. I should have never sold my grease Challenger to Denny. That was a bike I should have kept, man. That was a big mistake. That bike runs like a beast, man. Some little Harley mini bikes. There's a Benelli Dynamo. Benelli engine. 145 engine. Benelli seat. Yeah. Good, man. Looking for Benelli parts. I see Benelli, I'm like, I gotta look harder. Might have something I need. 125 engine there. Take that. Make offer. Five Honda.
Was quickest.
CL's 250cc, $2,000. I don't think he'll get it. Just don't. I know that they don't move very quick, the sport wheels. I don't know which way to go. This place is so big.
Just as soon as we get these riders off track, we'll begin to set up for our lunchtime laps for history.
Woo. There's that grab bar I need.
That's our Grand Marshal.
Oh no, that's the one with the luggage rack.
Around the track for a couple
I can get that one. Everyone has that one with the luggage rack. They don't have the regular one.
Starting at 12 minutes.
Hey! There's a jewel right there.
At 12 o'clock. The balance of the
That's one good looking scooter there.
races today will be 6 laps unless we have to make a change.
I thought you'd appreciate that.
Yeah.
I was hoping to see it.
Yeah, it looks nice, man. Benelli custom is pretty cool. Kickstart only. Sounds nice too, man. He's got, those were Yamaha 650 bikes he put on there. He said they went right on. He just had to grind a little bit on the lip of the bike. Yeah, it's nice, man. I just bent my front rim on my 650, so I got to go down to Sport Wheels. There's 2 of them down there, complete bikes that are toasty. But the front rims ain't bent, so I got to go swap rims. DR200, bulletproof little bike. I think Mid-Ohio is more enduros and dirt bikes than anything. Not to say there's not a lot of nice street bikes here, but it's more enduros, dirt bikes than anything else. I'm gonna go find my friends from Miami. They just told me you're here, down near the Blacktop somewhere. I'll videotape some bikes on my walk down there. One of the ugliest Moto Guzzi's they made, in my opinion. It's my opinion, but it's ugly. Nice Bultaco. $1,600. Can't go wrong. That's a good bike for $1,600. Not a super desirable model, but 1,600 bucks. What do you want? It's pretty hot here today, man. Scorching. Of course, I'm in all black, so. Bombardier engine. You won't see those around too much. Nice Hercules. Woohoo! It's hot. Black tent with black top bits. I don't know where there's black top. Cali triple used to be a chopper in the 70s. 2,800 bucks. KZ 1000, 4,500 bucks. You gotta watch here you don't get run over. There's these young kids go flying through here. Man, it's cooking. Nice Yamaha RD400. I mean, I'm sorry, Dora 400. It's nice though. DT, that's what they are. DT, not RD. Woo, it's warm, man. It is warm. Very warm. There's a Benelli. 1,000 bucks. R5. I gotta find some shades soon, man. Okay, I don't know what that guy was talking about. He said my friends from Miami were down to the blacktop, but there's no blacktop road here. Guess I'm gonna have to walk the whole entire Swapmeet. Both are Goozy, 3,000 bucks. I don't think we'll get it. I've seen nicer ones for 3,000 bucks. These are great bikes. 250 Charles bike. I wish I never sold mine to that one I had either. Okay, I'm definitely not going the right way. Alright, let me see where I'm at. Bunch of Hondas. Woo! Bultaco, 1969, has title, 1,600 bucks. Same as the Matador though. Not a great desirable model, but priced right, 1,600 bucks. Honda Reflex, cool little bike. I think one of the ugliest motor Guzzi's ever made. It's my opinion. Actually, I take that back. They made one uglier one. I forget what it was. But this one's pretty ugly. Good engine. Hey, how you doing, man? Nice little Suzuki. Real nice little Yamaha. Selling anything?
Some.
Yeah, it's good. This is pretty cool. Because it's tagged and titled. Look at that. Those cylinders are just awesome, man. You know, if the world went sideways, this is the kind of bike you would need. Something you could get to anything with lighting. If you had a sport bike, you'd be doomed, or a big Harley. You couldn't get anywhere. This thing, you go through anything. And it's low. It's low enough to, you know, all the new dirt bikes are too tall. This thing's sweet. I dig it. Nice Bultaco. A little over-restored, but I don't know about those shocks. They look like they might be Chinese. Maybe not. I don't know. They look Chinese to me. Seika Turbo. You don't see too many of those running around. Bultaco, no engine. Oh, I guess it's in the box there. Bultaco, no top end. Motor Guzzi, 125, looks pretty complete. Man, it's cooking out here. There's one of the ugliest Motor Guzzis ever made. Sorry for the Strada owners, but it's ugly. It's not even so ugly it's cool, it's just ugly. Some bikes were so ugly they're cool. This one's just ugly. I don't know what it is, man. It's the angle of those side covers and that horrid seat. It's just not Italian. I don't know who in Italy did that. What year is this? 93. Could have still been Di Tommaso's in 93. Trying to think. Nope, Di Tommaso was gone, I think, by then. The reflex. All right, I'm gonna walk towards the. Hey, good seeing you guys, man.
Hey, thanks, Nick.
Yeah, good seeing you.
Have fun.
Yeah, I'll try. I'm gonna go this way. Crusty. Oh, that's nice. I like these XRs. These are good bikes right here, man. XR 200, that's all you need. And great woods bike right there, man. Great woods bike. Woo! It is cooking hot out here, man. Cooking. Little taco stuff. Honda Trail 70, pretty nice. Nice little NT 125. You know, these engines were really good too, all roller bearings, but I don't know. I could tell someone put a ton of work into these bikes, but he wants $5 grand a piece for them. Just don't know who the buyer is for them. I think this generation's gone. Too old to ride. Young kids don't want it. Don't want old stuff anymore, man. That old. They want 80 stuff now. 80 stuff's the stuff they want. I need a grab rail for a Suzuki T500. But I haven't found one yet. Yes, sir. See you. See what we got over here. There's a topper, Harley Davidson topper. Pretty sweet. It's nice. I don't know if it's $8,000 nice, but it's nice. 61, pretty early. It wasn't AMF yet, right? 61, Harley or still Harley. There's a CZ with the shifter, with Kickstarter and the shifter, the same thing. You flip it over and it's the Kickstarter. I always thought that was so weird. Oh, nice Cushman. Eagle. Eagle was the better of the ones. They were trying to be like the Mustangs. It's pretty cool. $2,800, that's a good buy, man. I think that's a good buy. I think $2,800 is a good buy for that bike. It's a fun little bike to ride around on. It'd be great for this event. Ride it around here instead of me walking up and down all these hills. You gotta watch you don't get run over around here. We'll run you over.
What's up, Billy?
Hey, what's up, buddy? How are you, man?
What's going on? Watch you all the time.
You guys buying anything?
Enjoy it. Just
cool.
old school patches, peace
Cool.
signs.
What's the bike
and
for?
stuff.
F11.
Oh, cool.
F250,
Yeah, it's in good shape too.
Always in damn good shape.
Yeah, what'd you pay for that?
Yeah. $175.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, not bad for the condition.
Where are you gonna find one?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
My
Find
buddy's
anything
here. We're
good?
gonna put it on his bike. He's got his F11 down there at the camp. So.
Cool.
Yeah.
No, I'm just walking around looking. I'm looking for a grab rail for a T500 Suzuki, but
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
hard to
There's a bunch
find.
of
Never know.
T500s around.
Yeah, I've seen them on bikes, but they don't want to take it off. See you guys. A lot of two smokers here, Mid Ohio. lot of two-strokers. A lot of gas tanks. Suzuki with a sidecar. Big little sidecar. Wonder if that's legal. Street legal sidecar. Wouldn't think it would be. That thing got hit by something. It was crushed. Fiberglass. It looks like maybe even ABS plastic. Yeah, it's ABS plastic. It wouldn't last long. Man, it's hot out here. You're gonna find me a drink and some food. A lot of Bultacos, man. And you know what? Stuff like Bultaco and Pentons, they're starting to drop in price because the young kids never heard of them. So only old people like me know what they are. So they're starting to drop. They were really crazy priced, and now they're affordable again. I seen a couple Osas here for $1,500. You know, 10 years ago, they'd all be thousands of dollars. So. The sun is so strong. Alright, I found the hot dog stand. Crusty stuff there. Cushmans, 2 of them, Trail Masters. Trail, what'd they call them? Trail something. Trail beaters, trail, I forget what they called them. Maybe trail beaters. I see it. Hot dog and pizzas. That's what I'm gonna get. Oh, let's check out the BSA Club of Ohio. They always have good stuff. They're one of the oldest clubs in Ohio. They put on the Devil's Staircase Hill Climbing thing. I think it's the same club. I might be wrong. It's always unrestored, nice stuff. Like if you want to have this bike, it's the way you want it. Unrestored and running perfect. Very nice. The new BSA. Anyone know of anything about them? Are they any good? I think they're made in India. Wherever they're making Triumph. And I think they're making everything now, north and back too. So. A lot of stuff in Mid-Ohio, man. A lot of Bultacos this year. And Osas. And they're coming down in price, man. $2,600 runs great. 10 years ago, you couldn't buy that for $2,600. It ran. No way. Benelli. Super Sport 250. $800. Wow. If this was near me, I'd buy it. But I'm in Ohio. Is it seized up? Don't know because the Kickstarter stripped out. Do not kick, it's stuck. Oh, someone already broke it. Tanks toasted too. But priced right. Woo! It is a cooker here, man. I like the KTM 250. I like that KTM 250 too.
What, you need a 10-minute head start?
Sterling jewelry.
That's hilarious. The one guy only made it 1 lap.
They're always at bike shows. Don't know why. Clean, clean, clean. Pretty nice, clean bikes. Still looking for that grab rail for my T500. But I haven't found one. Oh, come on. Stay behind that cloud. I like when the sun's behind the cloud. I almost just wanted to find a cheap moped to ride around so I don't have to walk. I'd pay $500 for it. You know how much a golf cart is to rent here for the day? $500 for the day. $500. but it was $75 to walk in the gate. I think that's kind of pricey. $75. I mean, I don't know. The one I go to in Italy, the big one, Imola, it's only 10 euros. This is $75. But they do have races going on here. Even though I don't really go to the races, a lot of people are paying to go to the races. So I guess that's why they can charge $75. But you don't see any young kids here. I haven't seen too many people under 50. Look around, it's all old people. Like me. Just $75 to get in the door. SL and XL parts. $650, new old stock. Must be 50 of these at Sport Wheels.
Good luck getting that out.
I know. You got a something.
Hey, what's up, brother?
What up, LA
Good to see you,
Nick?
man.
How's it going, buddy?
Good, how are you,
I
man?
missed you last year, so I was like, I gotta see him today.
Hey, how are you guys?
Good, how are
Good,
you?
good.
seeing you.
Yeah, you too.
Oh, it's a hot one today.
It is hot. When it goes behind the cloud, I'm like, thank you, God.
Oh my
I just hope the clouds keep coming.
Yeah.
There's a little breeze.
Oh, it should be good. We're not getting rain, I don't think.
Yeah. I'm just here for the day, so I flew in Columbus.
Did you?
Yeah, I'm staying downtown Columbus in a real nice hotel.
Oh,
Because I looked, the Motel 6 is here. They want that Motel 6 is not far from here. It's a total dump.
Oh,
They
yeah.
want like $250
yeah.
because this event's going on.
That's what furry.
I got a 5-star downtown Columbus for $230.
250 plus bed bugs.
Yeah, plus bed bugs.
You'll have to stop by our spot. I got.
Yeah, where is it?
We're down
Oh,
the
the
last.
campground.
No.
Oh, this in the end?
We're at the last
Okay.
row
Yep.
by the cornfield.
Yep.
I got a really nice Italian moped Safari.
All right,
You gotta come check
I'll
her
check it out. I'm going that way now.
All right, we'll be there.
Okay. Yeah.
Definitely all day.
All right, cool. See a lot of people here that either I know or they watch my page and know me. So mostly Facebook people. I don't know why I got 700-some thousand people on Facebook, but my YouTube channel just, I guess I don't really work it like other people do. I'm not an editor. I don't want to edit videos. Facebook, I just shoot and post. Real nice MZ. A lot of people hate these bikes, but they're actually pretty good bikes. They're ugly. They're so ugly, they're cool. This particular gen, not other MZs, but this particular gen. And then the newer MZs, they had the Rotax engine. They're bulletproof. No one wants them. You can buy them for nothing. There's a nice one down at Sport Wheels. They want, I think it's $2,500 for it. Starts right up, runs perfect. Yet no one wants them. That Rotax engine is a great engine. Yeah, this got no grab bar on it. I need a T500 grab bar. Anyone got a T500 grab bar?
Oh yeah, we started years ago.
Penton. I used to have that bike, but at 175. Darn, it's hot out here, man. Did I tell you it's hot? It's hot. Gixxer. Nice Trail 70. This guy has all these old Hondas and they seem to all run. Sounds pretty good. Yeah. Sounds pretty good, man. It's crusty as shit, but sounds really good. Still got some life left in her.
It needs to be idled up to
Yeah, it probably needs to be dialed in. Little carb adjustment. I like this one over here the best. Just really crusty, man. Does this bike run?
Yeah,
Does
that's
it?
elephant.
I like this one.
Yeah, you see his carburetor?
Oh, yeah.
This one has 750 pistons in it.
Really?
Yeah, it'll fly.
Yeah, it's got a good look to it, man.
Yep.
It's got a good look to it.
We have a blast. Just a bunch of old men acting like.
Hey, that's, don't let the old man in, man. Keep being a kid.
Yeah, man. Have a good one.
That's the secret. Don't let the old man in, man. Nice 750 triple. Yeah, crazy money, 18 grand. You won't get it though, because they're dropping. They're not like they were. Phase is over, I believe. I seen these bikes last year. This Honda's pretty cool. Not something you see every day. I've been seeing more and more police bikes. I think they're all fakes. I don't think any of them are real police bikes. I think people are just doctoring them up. Another one of these Honda Dreams. They're cool though. Cool rock BSA Rocket 3 with the funky metal flake paint. Nice little Vincent. Laverta SF. Crusty Norton. It's crusty too, man. I remember which water mine is. I think my water's over here. I like the tank. I don't know what that tank fits, Norton. Yeah, it's a little tank. Alright. Hey, see you guys later, man.
Alright, see you later.
Good seeing you.
Yeah, good seeing you. See you, everybody.
Oh, my legs are getting tired. A lot of walking here. Probably walked 5 miles today. Nice little Suzuki. 250? One's 85. Sign off Bonneville. Special. BSA. Triumph. BSA. I'm gonna look in here because I need some seals for my BSA. So I'm gonna look in here real quick. Now, it's a runner. Hungarian sidecar. Even the tire says made in the USSR. I don't think I'm gonna buy them, but I'm gonna split them. I'm gonna take the sidecar off the bike. Hey, the motor sounded tight.
Yeah.
Seemed like it was pretty hard to kick though.
Yeah, it's 350 single, so it's a bear. It's got a compression release.
I got a lot of singles. I don't know. They don't seem like they were that. It seemed like you were putting.
Well, and it's so.
And the sidecar's in the way.
It's so close. Yeah.
It's in the way. Because I put my knee up on the seat and kick my
Okay.
stuff.
Yeah.
But you can't do that with the sidecar there.
Right.
But it's definitely cool, and he's asking Johnny. I mean, you couldn't restore it for that. Wants $35 for the bike, $35 for the sidecar. I think the sidecar's worth more than the bike. Can't find Hungarian sidecars, man. Pretty cool.